Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to access and how to download Hamster Kombat. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you will find a link in the description of this video. You have to click on it. You will find a link like this in the description of this video. You guys have to click on it. When you click on it, you will be redirected inside Telegram. Make sure that your Telegram account is created. After that you have to click on join, and after that here you have to click on top Hamster Kombat. When you click on it, you will see the play button at the left bottom. Click on it. When you click on play, here you guys have to wait for 3 to 4 seconds. Here you will have to wait for 2-4 seconds while it is loading. Now here you can mine it. In this way you can access Hamster Kombat. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel as you see next interesting video.